Sessiagh or Sessiagh, whatever we call it, and it's really windy. So shit, I'd cast into the one, or if there's an A1. So we'll give it a go anyway, and we'll see what it's like. Had a wee muss there. I thought the camera was on, but nah. The one seems to have died down a wee bit. It's not. It's definitely not as windy as it was when I got here. But I'm on the same spot. Hopefully I'll run into a fish at some stage. Right, so no more luck here. So we'll wind on and try move maybe over there. Around that wee island. For me at the moment, this is with my way casting and how I cast, this is the only place that I think I'll be able to fish in this lake today. I've never been up there, so I don't know. I'll go up there for a wee walk. And over there was a waste of time for me. At least here I can get out across the waves on it. Maybe pick up one like I did at the very start. back in the car now, and that was a nice, enjoyable day. I like that. I like that wee lake. The wind was atrocious, and I didn't blink, which I'm happy about. But I'll be back. It's well taken care of now. It's Dunfanaghy Anglers did a nice wee job in there. Now it's nice. So I'll be back. BBO did all the damage, so it's saying that I only got 2. Like, that's still, it's 2's better than none. And as I say, a bad day's fishing is better than a good day's working. So till next time, and all that's left now is for me go get a wee coffee and head home. Alright, next time, good luck.